Welcome to another step-by-step maintenance guide for the Sport robot. In this video, we will walk you through maintaining the front caster wheel and fork, either before or after using the robot.
Okay, so why do I need to do this?
That's a great question, because proper maintenance matters. This guide is designed to prolong your robot's lifespan and ensure the highest level of performance every time you use it. We are now going to place the robot on its side to make the next few tasks easier to complete. Don't forget to make sure that the pump system is empty before rotating the robot, and you can also put something soft underneath it to protect it. Before turning the robot on its side, ensure that the battery rail entrance is facing upward. To lift and turn the robot, hold the side with one hand. Reach and hold the silver handle with the other hand. Then gently turn the robot onto its side. Be careful not to drop the robot and never place it upside down, as this can damage the buttons and the lamp. Check that the robot is stable and safe. Make sure the rear motor wheel isn't under pressure and can spin freely. Keeping the front wheel clean is vital for proper operation. You can use a dry brush or water depending on how much mud and debris there is, but clear as much as possible from the wheel. Make sure the grass scraper and the area around the top of the tire near the bolt are clear. You want to ensure the wheel and fork can turn freely without any resistance or obstruction. The front wheel is a passive wheel, which means the less resistance, the better. A worn or seized bearing can have a big impact on the robot. Gently spin or rotate the wheel in both directions to make sure there are no unusual noises and that it turns smoothly. Similar to the wheel bearing, issues with the fork bearing can cause the rear wheels to stop or not stay in sync, leading to errors. Gently rotate the entire fork in both directions. Listen for any unusual noises, and you can also feel if it isn't turning smoothly. The smoother it turns, the better the performance. Take hold of both the wheel and the fork, then gently move them up and down and side to side. If the main bolt is loose, you'll feel movement near the bearing and may hear a slight knocking sound. A loose main bolt can get worse over time and affect how the robot drives. Lastly, you need to ensure the tire is at the correct pressure. Start by removing the cap and keeping it safe. Attach the pump fitting to the valve. Next, inflate the tire to a maximum pressure of 2 bar or 29 pounds per square inch. Finally, remove the fitting from the valve and screw the cap back on securely. Okay. If you need any additional help or information, please reach out to our support department at support@tinymobilerobots.com. Or alternatively, you can find more resources at help.tinylinemarker.com. That's everything for this video. Until next time, thanks for watching.